Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So AMC win today at $14.56, guys. Pretty much a consolidation of a day from Friday's close. It did play out today exactly how we expected it to, guys. We expected to run up around $15.85. We ran up as high as 16 on this morning. It was very quick, and then we came down to around the high 13s. We expected to come down to all the way to previous resistance, right around $12.90, to come down and treat that as a form of support and see how we hold up there, guys, before springing off and bouncing even higher, depending on how the overall market, however it want to do. Because we know the market is very choppy right now. A lot of, uncertainty. A lot of people expecting for it to be a bull trap, though it was just to come right back down. We know the market could be short-lived, guys, but like I told you guys, even though it's going to be short-lived, I don't believe it's going to go back to the lowest levels, the prices that you was able to get on last week and the week before. I do believe the market is going to continue to go up, pull back, but as it does, continue to create higher lows until we turn over into a bullish market, guys, eventually, taking baby steps. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on and see exactly what's up with this $6 price target on AMC, guys. And for starters, let's go ahead and be clear. I don't believe AMC is coming down to $6. I'm just, sharing my opinion on it because we got analysts that thinks otherwise. So analysts with a $6 price target on AMC, even after AMC had this wonderful news on today with Top Gun blowing expectations out of the water and also going down in history for the best, revenue, the most traffic that came into the theaters in around this time or whatnot. So let's go ahead and take a look at this, guys. We know Top Gun soared to the top of the box office this past weekend, smashing a 15-year record for the Memorial Day weekend. But one AMC bear is still not changing his outlook quite yet. At this point, it doesn't really change our view. Analyst Chad B9, who maintains an underperformed rating on the stock with a 12-month price target of $6, told Yahoo Finance in a new interview. We're sticking with our forecast for 2022 and 2023, the analyst added, noting how May's total box office figures lagged pre-pandemic levels by 30%, which the theater chain's Q1 revenue dropping 35% compared to 2019. So AMC said in a press release that its domestic box office saw an estimated 122% year-over-year increase versus 2021's Memorial Day weekend. In all, nearly 4 million guests came to an AMC in the United States to see a movie during the holiday weekend, according to the company. So we know the Dow Jones today fell 0.7%. Also, the S&P 500 came down about 0.6%. The NASDAQ dropped about 0.4%. Like I say, guys, even though the market ended down on today, and we will see some red going into tomorrow, but I do believe that reversal will also happen on tomorrow. Like I was stating in our previous videos, letting you guys know exactly, how the Feds can dictate the market, regardless of what an individual company do, regardless how good the information is, how good the news is, how good the fundamentals is, how much money they're making, is never going to 100% guarantee that price action is going to reflect to it. Unlike the government, whenever they come out, the Feds put their dictation on the market, whatever they say usually goes. They got a 95% conviction rate, meaning whatever direction the Feds want the market to go, that's what it's going to do. But going into tomorrow, like I told you guys, if, we done been hammered down, beat down so much that the Feds is losing this power to be able to do that, because eventually, regardless of what dictation they're trying to put on the market, especially if they're trying to drive it lower, millionaires and billionaires are going to be in retail, are going to be eating up those cheap shares because they believe it's already at the lowest points. And even if it was to go lower, they would just save some firepower to accumulate more shares. So like I say, guys, if the market had ran up, because the Fed's coming out to speak on tomorrow, and the market had ran up, had that cup and handle during power hour and finished off strong, we could have definitely seen a pullback going into tomorrow. But being for the fact that we ended off on a bad note, I do believe this will be that 5% of the time where the Feds might not get the reaction that they actually want, because people is going to be buying the dip. So that's my opinion, guys. And I do believe the market is going to, pull back in the morning, but towards, midday or whatnot, power hour, we will see a strong push back to the upside, and some money will be able to be made on tomorrow, especially if the market panic how I expect it to in the morning, depending on judging how it ended on today. So you already know, guys, like I say, that $6 price target, I don't believe AMC is going to reach that unless I'm wrong about the market going lower. Some people did expect for the market to spike up like it did, like we expected as well, but for it to come all the way back down to the low levels that we was previously at, and then possibly go lower. Now, if that was to happen, AMC definitely could see that. But like I say, I don't expect for the market to go back to those levels. I believe we would either consolidate, for a while, or we'll continue to push higher and come back, of course, run up 40%, 30%, some stocks 50% days, probably give back 25 to 30% of those gains, majority, over half, just to run back and spike again and continue to make those higher lows as you turn over into a bullish market, guys. And AMC will push up along with the overall market. So that's my, my expectation. That's how I believe things will play out, guys. Always be sure to do your own research and due diligence. Nobody knows exactly what any markets is going to do, or any asset or security. You already know what to do. Add me on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.